How to calculate how much weight you can lose. Step 1 is to determine your current weight and current body fat percentage. Most new scales will give you both these numbers. Step 2 is to determine your lean mass. Lean mass is how much you would weigh with no fat. Let's look at the equations below. Fat weight equals total weight times body fat percentage. Don't get overwhelmed. This math is actually easy, so stay with me. Lean mass equals total weight minus fat weight. So let's look at an example here. Let's say a person weighs 200 pounds and they have a body fat of 20%. The fat weight is very easily figured. You just take 200 times 0.2 and that gives you 40 pounds of fat on that person's body. Now if we look at the lean mass, we just take his weight, which is 200 pounds, we minus the fat weight, which is 40 pounds, and we figure, okay, this person has a lean mass of 160 pounds. Step 3 is to determine your goal weight. What you must first understand is that men have an ideal body fat percentage of 6 to 10%. Women are a little bit higher. They have an ideal body fat range of 12 to 15%. When we look at the equation, we can figure out the range that you should be in. Let's look at the example. A man whose lean mass is 160 pounds. Their bottom weight and their top weight can easily be figured just through multiplication. So let's take 160 pounds times 1.06. That would be 6% body fat. So it's 160 pounds times 1.06. That means 170 pounds should be the bottom weight that this man should be. The top weight should be 160 pounds times 1.10 equals 176 pounds. I get the 1.10 because that is 10% added on to the lean body mass. Therefore, a person with a lean mass of 160 pounds should weigh between 170 and 176 pounds. Women would use the same calculation, only they would use 1.12 for the bottom range and 1.15 for the top range. Do not go under the bottom range for the weight. I know it's tempting, but here's the problem. If you do that, it's going to affect your athletic performance because it's going to affect your hormone levels. And if your hormone levels drop, you will not perform where you should athletically. Now, you need to measure your body fat every once in a while because through the season, your lean body mass can change.